Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you the best antivirus you can have for your system. And these antivirus are absolutely free. You don't need to pay to get them, and they will not make your system slow. They'll make everything go smooth for you. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to support me by subscribing, and also don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So the first software I'm going to talk about comes with Windows 10. It's already in your PC. So all you need to do is to go to this arrow button right here on your taskbar, hit on it, and then this little window pops up, and then you're going to hit on this shield looking button right here. So this is Windows security. I know you might be wondering, oh, it comes with Windows, it's not effective. No, trust me, it's very effective, even more than most software you find out there. All you need to do is to make sure that all these green check marks are there and you are good to go. And when you want to use this software to scan for threats or virus, just hit on this virus and threat protection, and then you hit on this quick scan button right here, and then you are good to go. It will scan your whole system, your whole Windows system for viruses, scan every document, and will get rid of every virus in there. So that's that for Windows security. So the second software I'll recommend for you, we're going to go over to Chrome and we're going to search for Malwarebytes. So Malwarebytes is a very powerful antivirus you can use as an alternative for Windows security. It uses lesser resources and will not make your PC slow. So to get it, you're going to go to malwarebytes.com. When the site opens, this is what you're going to see, and you're going to hit on this free download button right here. And mind you, it has a paid version and also a premium version. So if you want the premium version, you can go for that, or you can just simply go for the free version, which I recommend for you because it has everything you need. So those are the two software you should have in your system to protect your system against threats like virus. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.